Hello everyone, my name is Namita Devi and I welcome you to my Excel club. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can get the current date and time on your worksheet regardless of when you open it. And we have a direct function in Excel which is known as now function. So let's see how it works. This function do not have any argument in it. So like I said, this is very direct and simple function. If you write in your cell equal to now bracket open and close, press enter, it gives you the current date and time as per your system. So in my system, I have 29th of April 2021 and the time is 15:49. So it is giving me the same date. See, the minute has changed. It is 48 here and it is 49 here. Let me save this file, close it and open it again. When you open the file again, you will see that this formula has been updated automatically. So it updates itself. The Excel stores the date in the serial numbers and by default it takes January 1, 1900 as the serial number 1. You can also add numbers to this formula like equal to. Now if I add plus 5 to it, it will add 5 days to the current date. If I press enter, it gives me 4th of May 2021 15:49 time. So this is all about the now function of Excel. You can get the current date and time whenever you open your file. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.